Okay, I've got a H1-A or H1. This is a boost driver. Wanting to show a procedure how to change out this resistor right here. It's an RO25. And basically what I've got is I think this is a J-tip. Doesn't want to focus. Well, it's a little hook tip. It's small, it's hooked. Let me just clean this, put a little solder on it. Now the first thing you want to do is get rid of this blue wire. Let me see if I can film this and do it at the same time. Okay. You don't want to spend more than a second or so. I've got my temperature set to 300 degrees over here. So the first thing you want to do is get rid of that blue wire. Now you want to get yourself some tweezers. And probably the easiest way to get some beefy ones is to put some solder here, put some heat here, get this side liquid, and then just pry up on this, just flick it up. Or you could go in like this. I'm having to use the viewfinder here. But so you can squeeze it as you heat up the solder here on one side. Squeeze it really hard and just break it. You're going to be replacing it anyway, so you can just break it. You know, if you're having trouble, if you can't get this off as one piece, liquefy one side and break it in half. And then it makes it a whole lot easier. You can go over here, get this side liquid, which shouldn't take more than a second, and then just flick the piece away. Then you can come back and you can take some copper braid and soak up all of this old solder. Get some nice clean pads. Put a little dab of flux on both pads. Come in, put a little solder on one side, a little solder on the other side, and then you can come back in, put a little more flux, take the end of that wire, and just very quickly liquefy it, and boom, get that wire to hold. That's actually the wrong end of it. But that's basically the point. And if you do get a little solder on the edge here, just clean it up with your iron, just kind of liquefy it and move it off to the side. Get it out of the way. And that's really it. All right, thanks.